guys, welcome back to Talabadi. This is Kami and with me Amar. Today we're reacting to
Sari Poda Sari Varam starring Nani trailer.
Yes. We're reacting to that trailer.
You're not able to say that?
Yes, I'm not able to say, that's why he's doing it. Whatever is with DH, it is very hard for me.
Duryodhan you can say.
Yes. Deal with it. So if you're ready, let's dive right into in 3, 2, 1, go.
अरे है भाई सबटाइटल
నా కన్నీళ్ళు ఇంకిపోయాయి అందుకే మనందరి తరపున భయాన్ని దాటి ఒక అడుగు ముందుకేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను
సార్ సీఏ గారు ఎప్పుడు వస్తారు
అరే
ఒక్కసారి ఆయన చూసేవనుకో
సార్ ఏమైంది సార్
ఇంకెప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు వస్తారని అడగ
టాయిలెట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయో నన్ను అడుగుతున్నాడు ఏంటి సుధారుడు సెల్ ఓపెన్ చేయి
ఏం చేశాడని సార్ మరి అలా కుడుతున్నారు
సూకుల పాలెం అక్కడ పుట్టడమే వీడు చేసిన తప్పు
దీనికి సొల్యూషన్ ఏం లేదా సార్
సొల్యూషన్
మీకు యముడు చిత్రగుప్తుడు గురించి తెలిసే ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళిద్దరూ స్ప్లిట్ పర్సనాలిటీలా ఒక్కడిలోనే ఉంటే వాడే మా వాడమ్మా నార్మల్గా నా అనుకునే వాళ్ళకి ఏమైనా జరిగితే మన కోపం వస్తుంది
నాకు కోపం వచ్చింది
కానీ మా వాడికి వాడి కోపాన్ని బట్టి
నాకు కోపం వచ్చిందంటే వీడు నావాడు ఇది నా సమస్య
ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ దయా అంటే ఎవరు
వాడు పెద్ద సైకో ఆడు బాబాయ్ వాడి గురించి ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు
ఈ పిచ్చి నా కొడుకు ఆడి పేరు రాసుకున్నాడు రా ఒక్కసారి ఆ పేరు రౌండ్ చేసుకున్నాడు అంటే వాళ్ళంతు చూడ్డానికి ఎంత దూరమైనా వెళ్తాడు ఎలాగైనా వెళ్తాడు
వాడెవడో శనివారమే కొడుతున్నాడు
అంటే వాడు ఆదివారం కొట్టడా
నాకు వాడు
This
కావాలి
guy's permanent in movies.
ఎవడ్రా సూర్య ఇప్పటిదాకా వాడి 2 కళ్ళే చూశారు 3వ కన్ను చూశారు శివతాండవమే ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలి ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలి
పోతారు మొత్తం పోతారు
BGM is very good. I like the BGM. The music was at the like this. They show the entire movie in the trailer. For me it was like that. सब बता दिए उन लोग कुछ छोड़े ही नहीं कौन विलन है कौन हीरो है क्या प्रॉब्लम है हीरो को कैसे मारेगा सब तो देखने क्यों जाए then why you go and watch अरे एटलीस्ट थोड़ा तो हिडन रखो सब बता दे रहे हो भाई तुम लोग लास्ट का शोडाउन भी दिखा दिया आमने सामने खड़े दोनों ठीक है बिकॉज ऑफ नानी आई से यस आई विल वॉच 100% बट दसरा वाला फीलिंग इसमें नहीं है दसरा ट्रेलर केम आउट द ट्रेलर वाज आल्सो लुकिंग सो गुड लाइक नहीं आई हैव टू वॉच दिस मूवी इट इज लुकिंग सो गुड दिस इज लाइक विजिलेंटी टाइप ऑफ मूवी थोड़ा सा मतलब he has split personality then he write his name like Death Note
Yes, I was going to say that same thing.
Death Note में से नाम लीजिए बोला गोला बनाओ मारो वेंचो पकड़ के इसको ही मारना है उसके पास वो नहीं है क्या नाम था उसका तो वो जो रहता है डेथ नोट में उसके साथ क्या बोलते हैं उसको शिनिगामी नहीं है उसके पास साउथ में शिनिगामी नहीं चलता वो कुछ और है उधर
He has his father.
पापा है उसके his papa is explaining my son is like this my son is like that गांड फाड़ देगा like this so it is looking good एक decent mass movie I can say okay types. I just hope that they don't fuck up like this Mr. Bachchan, that they fuck up this remake of Red. बहुत गंदा बेइज्जती कर दिया पिक्चर का. हम एक्साइटेड थे रवि तेजा के चक्कर में बेंचों गाड़ी मार दी पूरे मूवी का. So I hope that they don't fuck up, but I have trust in Nani because he have very good movies in his filmography. I love his movies. I have watched like 10-15 movies of Nani. So let's hope for. And villain is ek number. I like this S.J. Surya. He is full ek number. Either he do villain role or he do comedy. Whatever he do, he is just amazing. So because of villain and hero, I'll go and watch first day first show. बाकी रेटिंग ट्रेलर वाइज ठीक दे 2.5 में मिल ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं था उसमें. For me, it was nothing special.
Well, for me, I had a bit of a different experience. In my case, I did like the trailer. I didn't like the part that they show, like the climax. That for me was senseless. Like, why you want to show the most important part of the movie? It is stupid. That part I agree with him that I don't find the reasoning. And yeah, they should have, like, some part they should keep hidden. But for me, I like the idea. I like the story, how they're showing it. I like the villain. I like everything that they're showing me in the trailer. The only thing, like he said, that they're showing everything. So for me, I do have a bit more expectation on the movie. Because for me, it is looking good. It is not only about the actors, but I like how it is going. I like whatever they show. I like. Yeah, I would have liked more surprise factor in the movie. Yes, that is true. But overall for me, it wasn't such a bad trailer. So for me, the movie, it is a 3. It is not like, oh, it is looking amazing. But it's like, yeah, I would like to watch this movie. It is looking good. And again, it is Nani. I have only seen one movie from him, Dasara. But from that only, I got like the view, the glimpse of his talent.
I'll say the teaser that they, I think it was announcement video that they have made, वो बहुत अच्छा था. It was so good. They didn't reveal anything and it was actually looking so good. But trailer थोड़ा नीचे हो गया भाई, downgrade कर दिए थोड़ा सा.
Cut like 30 seconds from that trailer. And remove the most important parts.
Yes.
And then you have a very good trailer.
Yes.
It is something that you should always keep. You should keep something secret in your movie.
Yes.
Be like that. You shouldn't be like, okay, I have a Death Note. He has this disorder.
The only thing I can say is like making me interested to watch this movie is the Shaniwar thing. Saturday. क्या है ऐसा स्पेशल? Saturday को उसका morality जागता है कि मतलब क्या है? Saturday को vigilante आता है, बाकी दिन घर पे सोता है ऐसा कुछ.
He's working. He's working.
He's job में होगा. Saturday weekend रहता है ना तो मारने निकलता होगा.
Yes. And Sunday he has to go to church. But it's not.
कैसे चर्च जाएगा? How you know that he's Christian?
He can be any religion, but still he has to go to church.
अच्छा मेरा यसु मेरा.
He has to go to church, mandir, or whatever it is.
Yes. Holy.
Yes.
Yes.
So that is the thing. That's why Saturday.
Okay.
And next day you don't have to go to work.
Yes. So I am interested in that part. That why they put Saturday. So let's see.
Let's see. We will give you the review.
Yes.
Don't worry. It will be late, but you will get it.
We have to watch Thangalan and this movie together because Thangalan is releasing with this movie here in North Side.
Yeah, let's see if we get screens.
So
let's hope for the best. I know we get like very long review, reaction, but thank you so much for watching whatever we have said. Thank you so much for supporting us. Remember to leave your recommendations down below. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.